Hello there and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video. And in this video, I want to show you how you can set the vertical or horizontal view of multi-card KPI. A very quick tip related to the design. When I was doing that, I spent like 15-20 minutes to figure it out where in the properties it is available. However, it is just a matter of design as to how you are setting it up in terms of width and height. The way you set it will going to give it a horizontal or vertical view. So just want to share that quick tip. Before that, a quick information that all of these videos which I am posting related to the Power BI is present in this Google Live sheet, and this live sheet link is present in the description so that you can come easily over here, search any of my previous video, and using the link present in the column B, you can jump to that video. Also, as you can see, I am creating exercises video related to the Workout Wednesday website, which is here. And for that, I'm taking step by step. That's a good way for me, even for you, to do the exercises and develop the skill set or practice your skill set into the Power BI. So some interesting exercises I have posted so far till week 1 to week 8. So make sure you check out. All right, and this is also one of the exercise video I've posted where we have created this total revenue, total profit, total expenses dashboard, sort of a mobile dashboard, if you will. And here we have used the multi-card KPI. So if I select this is what your multi-row KPI. So as you can see, it is like in a vertical form. What if you want to have it like a horizontal form? So I thought of checking it up here in the properties, in the visuals, or in general, but the answer lies over here in the adjustment. Like for example, if I just adjust it, all of these visuals will move it up here. I was not aware about this property and thought probably many of you may not be aware about such property, like how easy or straightforward it is. So something, when you practice your skills, you get to know. I think I have not used multi-row KPI a lot, and maybe one of the reasons why I was not aware about that property, and I was searching it whether it is present over here in general or in visual, where I can make vertical multi-card as the horizontal one. But no, as you could see earlier, I just expanded the width and it is changing its view. So very quickly, I wanted to show this so that you are not spending hours or maybe minutes, and like 15 minutes, 30 minutes what I spent to figure it out. So just a quick information. Let me know how did you find it, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.